Good morning to all.
Mind the gap between the train and...
This is a District Line train to Richmond. The next station is Stepney Green.
Alright, peoples, good morning. Now we get off at Whitechapel. Then we gotta go and catch it. Elizabeth Lane. So yeah.
This is a customer call for a Donny Farber.
Elizabeth Lane this way. Oh, that side on the streets. Elizabeth Lane down this side. Turn right. Going down now, people. We're going down, we're going down, we're going down.
Maidenhead. Maidenhead. The next...
Check. Yeah, because that's the closest to the exit. Wow. Did you do that? We are going to do it at the very beginning or the very end?
Hayes Harlington.
I remember last year. Send it to my dad.
Hayes and Harlington. Yeah, we reach here.
This is due to...
Your next bus is direct service to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. Departing from...
I'm outside. I'm on the outside. It's chilly, man. Cool. I need to do I prepared. But yeah, can't wait for another little journey today, man. It's chilly up this side, yeah. But all is well. I good. I think I hope everybody large. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody going good. Yup, I stay blessed. Footage.